Okay, I'm just going to talk through some of the ones that you found hard in your mocks. So this one here was the last question on paper 1. You were told that y is inversely proportional to x. Okay, so that's really, really important. We've done a lot of this in lessons recently, so I was a little bit disappointed how badly we did. Okay, just because we've done it in lessons, you do need to be checking it after. Okay, so y is inversely proportional. Now I'd write that as y. I'm going to do this symbol, which means the proportionality symbol. And I would say inversely means 1 over, and in this case it's x because here is x. Okay, if it said something like x squared, I'd write x squared here. If it said square root of x, I'd say square root of x here. The next thing I do is I change the proportional symbol to equals k, and then k times by 1 would just be k, so y equals k over x. The next thing I do is substitute in the values I've got here, so y equals 3 when x equals 10. So 3 equals k over 10. Bring this divide by 10 over and it becomes a times by 10 to get 30 equals k. Okay, now out of the 3 marks you've only got 2. You must sub this back in to the second line here. So y equals, now we know what k is, we know it's 30. So y equals 30 over x. Okay, for the next bit we said calculate y when x equals 1.5. So y equals 30 divided by 1.5. Okay, there's a couple of different ways you could do this. I don't particularly like the decimal, so I could times top and bottom by 10 to get 300 over 15. And then a trick I use mentally, cover up the zeros. Does 15 go into 3? No. Does 15 go into 30? Yep, twice. And then how many zeros get added? So just the 1 there from behind the pen. So how many 15s go into 30? 2. 1 0 left over comes in here, so the answer is 20.